The Berry Blast Smoothie is a celebration of color and texture. The story begins with the deep, icy jewel tones of frozen strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. As they hit the blender with creamy yogurt and milk, we see a dramatic transformation into a thick swirling purple silk. The goal of this production is to capture that refreshing chill, the condensation on the glass, and the effortless, nutrient-packed energy of a perfect morning start. The ingredients. To create this refreshing berry blast, you will need 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, half a cup of yogurt, and half a cup of milk. For extra sweetness and creaminess, you can add a tablespoon of honey and half a banana. Loading the blender. Place your frozen berries, yogurt, milk, and your optional honey and banana into the blender. Using frozen fruit is the secret to mix the smoothie thick and icy without needing to add ice cubes. The blend. Secure the lid and start on a low speed, gradually increasing to high. Watch as the colors swirl together into a smooth, creamy purple blast. If it is too thick, just add a splash more milk. The pour. Pour the vibrant mixture into a tall glass. You can see how thick and rich the texture is, perfect for a satisfying breakfast. Garnish and serve. Top it off with a few fresh berries and a sprig of mint for a professional finish. Serve immediately and enjoy your dose of fruits and nutrients to start your day.